Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, how are you all? I hope all are done. So guys, today I am to talk about can English learning is very important for our IT industry? My answer is definitely yes. Why? Because without English you cannot conversation with your clients, your colleagues. Even if you can get a job from your native location, then it can be you can talk with your native language. But for other location like for example Bangalore or Dubai or USA, so that time you don't talk your native language because that is a different language. But one common language, that is English. It's very important because of English is everyone can know, everyone can understand, everyone even is speaking also. Then it is very important in our life, in our skill. Then you can upgrade your skill when you are trying to get a job. It can be anything, like it can be IT industry or you can other domains. That is a very important. Like English language, don't like it is a silly thing. And not even you can speak English, it can be build your confidence as well. Yes, my friends. So I will recommend you how to can you build up your skill, how to build up your communication skill. Because my colleague friends, lots of my college friends or school friends are telling that how can I learn English? I am trying to get a job from IT industry. Then how can I do it? So that is very simple. So first of all, how to do my journey or I will started. So I'm also very medium student, but that time I'm very struggling. How can I learn? So I search different things like YouTube platform, uh, like Play Store, lots of application here, like basically that is not a recommendation or not a sponsorship. So I only inform you that is a very good app AC Fluency other than Just Talk. Lots of application available freely. You can conversation with the people's colleagues, like you can introduce your name in English. Lots of things you can introduce. That is a very important thing. First you can go ahead, you can your step, you can first step you can go ahead, then you can betterly understand and betterly you can achieve then your goals. So many people are speaking, then why not you? Definitely you can speak, that is not a weak task. I'm again and again saying that is not a weak task. You definitely speak English. So like for in our IT industry, when you can other domain, like for different types of domains here, not only software IT industry. So everything like but this is very important because you suppose you world tour. Okay, so you go for Dubai, you go for America, you go for Australia. So how can you speak? Because they don't even understand your Hindi language, even your native language. How can you do it? So that's like for I again saying this is very easy, very important. So you can just your first step you can go ahead. So first step you can just download any application that are available in the free in the Play Store. You just use it. You can just like for freely you can use it in conversation little bit. Even you can suppose you are like for your colleague friends, you're in a room partner, that is a very good chance. Even if you can make a video like for just look for me, I open a mobile camera, then I shoot a video. So you can definitely do. That is a very good point. So you just open your mobile camera, so you can record your video. Then after that you can listen your video where you get stuck, where you get mistake. So everything you can find it. So that is a very important video. You can share this video your friends and colleagues. Let me to another best video. You can take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye bye. Good night. Jai Hind. You can just subscribe our channel and like this video. Please share this. Thank you. Take care.